Okay, today we got a 2014 Chevy Silverado. We will be replacing the thermostat on a 5.3 liter engine. Okay, thermostat here. Here's a temp sensor. There's one tab. I don't know if you guys can see my middle finger. Press that tab in with my point finger. And be careful not to grab the wiring. You don't want to snatch it out of the wire connector. We got a radiator cap off to relieve any pressure out of the engine area. I don't know if you guys heard that. It made a little hiss sound. Okay.
I think it's a coolant too.
I doubt it. Oh, it's gonna come out.
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna get your okay. We're gonna put our channel locks on this here clamp and okay, we're gonna give that a little tug. Okay, now there's gonna be a lot of fluid coolant to come out of this hose from the thermostat. So you guys wanna brace yourselves. Make sure you have a container or something at the bottom to catch most of it. All right, here we go. Okay. Now you can see we have one 10 millimeter bolt here, another there, and one on this back side. And it should come right up. All right. You want to be gentle and finagle it out of the socket, out of the assembly. Okay. You also want to place this rubber gasket that goes around it. As you can see, it's not as brittle as they usually are. It still has a lot of flex to it, so.
Nope. Then the nigga, somebody he won't goddamn.
All right, we're gonna go back on with this thermostat for a 2014 Chevy Silverado.
I ain't got time to show nobody.
Man, he video everything.
He sure do for real. I remember. That's right.
You start him doing that.
Yeah, that
My man,
clientele.
you need to video everything.
The clientele showing a little bit, you know, for your pay. It just support your pay.
You got three 10 millimeter bolts.
You know, they young too. You know what I'm saying? So it's
I ain't
great.
got time.
Then when them girls see man know how to do all that stuff.
If I gotta show him, I gotta show him more.
One right there. Another 10 millimeter. What you want to do, you want to hand
That shit up, dog.
tighten them first so that you don't strip any bolts.
Also, man, when I found out they changed this shit up,
You know what you're doing. You know you're a great father. Let nobody tell you that that's a great person.
I thought it was a dumb design around here, boy.
Running around.
Yeah.
But that's for to get that money though. That's for to get that money.
The water pump now sits inside that little shit right here. That's the
CO2 sensor. They say catalyst. What that mean? I'm saying.
That's the thing. So you shouldn't need no pellet converter.
But I know I'm riding with 93 now, man. I had that's on.
No, you don't
I should leave with me.
No. This truck ain't made to burn me.
I'm with me this no more, but Lord,
So what lies you saying? It's a unleaded only.
Unleaded on it.
Yes, sir. That's what it say. Unleaded only.
what you ride?
Cheapest shit I can find.
You ride 87?
Mm-hmm.
In what?
In my Ram.
God, that what's up.
They say unleaded. You gotta squeeze that with them pliers. Ain't where you locked it, you gotta unlock it.
I say unleaded too.
Yeah, they might even take flex fuel.
Flipper be like,
That E85 shit, I like to see goddamn flex fuel gas station. I heard y'all putting that when I've been in that box truck. That's the cheapest goddamn gas on the market right there.
yeah.
I was out there yesterday, that shit was $2 and
They sure on there right.
Come on, Charlie. Know I took the hard away.
the clown right there. I just
Where you playing? Oh, you way back there.
he locked that one too.
That big.
As far as it gonna go, son.
Big
Right,
hard down
sure.
lock too.
No, he
It's
just
tricky.
got
Why you ain't been on having your since you got the business, you don't even have the logo on about the brakes no more.
it right there. I got it right there.
Advertise on another nigga bill.
See what I'm saying?
You got some shit? Go on, put your clamp down there before you take it off.
Yeah, it's him. This is bill.
It's your bill.
No, I just.
So you just borrow the space.
See what I'm saying? That's
Get the
it.
green pliers. Same pliers you put it on with.
Let me see.
There you go.
Told you I've been doing this a minute, my guy.
Been doing what?
You know what I'm saying? Clamp removal. Damn.
Oh yeah, that water gonna get in there if you got any kind of crack in it. The water, you can stop that water.
Make sure you put your hoses back on.
Oh, she didn't do. She didn't.
Come to this side. Snap that hose back on. You should hear it lock.
They ain't locked. That ain't on.
Oh, because she didn't want to pay for it.
Okay. Snap. What's going on?
Yeah, yeah.
Tighten them two screws up.
Okay, now you have a 8mm here and an 8mm there.